So let's start working with Webpack. I'm going to create a new file right here. I'm going to call this one index.html. We're going to create the basic structure. So we're going to call this one learning Webpack, like this. And I'm going to open this with live server. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to open the console. We're going to work a lot with the console. So we're going to have something like this. From here, I'm going to link a JavaScript file called, the folder is going to be called this, index.js. We're going to close the script tag. From here, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call this one index.js. You can see that in the HTML file, we're pointing this into these folders. This folder is going to be generated by Webpack. And I'm going to add some code right here. We're going to add something like const shopping cart. It's going to be equals to an array, product1, product2, and product3. So we have 3 products into the shopping cart variable. Then I'm going to send this into the console, shopping cart, console log, shopping cart. So we're going to create the first bundle, and I'm going to open the terminal. There are 2 ways that you can create the bundle. One, the easiest way, is to use the terminal, and the other one is to use the config file. I'm going to show you how to create the configuration file in the upcoming videos, and we're going to generate the first bundle from the terminal. So normally you can add ls right here, and you can see we have the node modules folder. So you can add something like node modules, and then I'm going to open the .bin folder. I'm looking for Webpack. In the last step, I'm going to add a space. Then we're going to add the entry point. The entry point is going to be the file that we want to use with Webpack. So it's going to be the index.js, this one that is right here. I'm pointing into this folder, but this folder is going to be created once I run this command. So I'm going to hit enter. And you can see that we have we have some information right here. We have this warning, but don't worry about this. But you can see here, if you take a look here on the code, you can see we have the dist folder. There is a small problem with the name of the file. You can see that Webpack generated this as main.js. It should be main.js here. So we can save this and open the browser. And now you can see that we have the products into the shopping cart variable. If you open this main.js, this is going to inject a lot of code that is related to Webpack, but you can see that this is working, and we have created the first bundle. And we're going to continue step by step learning more about Webpack. But with this, we have done the first bundle. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create the configuration file.